Good morning, respect rectors and fellow students. First of all, I would like to express my gratitude for the opportunity to present my final project today. My name is Dhea Oktaviani with student ID 15250125 and I'm from class 15 to A13. Today, I will be presenting a journal entitled Generative AI Intelligence for Software Development and Automation, a comprehensive review. Through this presentation, I will discuss the background, objective, methodology, findings, conclusion, as well as the strengths and weakness of the study. To better understand this topic, let's start with the background of study. Before discussing the journal, let's first understand the background of this topic. Today, AI plays an increasingly important role in software development. One of the most significant advancements is generative AI, which can assist developers in generating code, creating documentation, and performing software testing. As a result, software development has become faster and more efficient. However, the growing use of AI also raises concerns regarding code quality, security, and reliability. For this reason, understanding the impact of Gen AI has become an important topic in software engineering. Now, let's look at the identity of the journal. The title of the article is Generative Artificial Intelligence for Software Development and Automation, a comprehensive review. It was written by Kaga Danikonda and Dr. A. Ramarao and published in 2026 in the International Journal for Interdisciplinary Sciences and Engineering Applications, or IGISEA. This journal provides a comprehensive review of how generative AI is applied in software development and automation. The main topic of this article is the application and impact of Gen AI in software engineering. The researchers focus on the transition from traditional manual coding to AI-assisted software development. Although AI offers many advantages, it also introduces several challenges, including software security risks, code quality issues, and reliability concerns. Therefore, this research is important because it helps developers and organizations understand both the opportunities and risks associated with AI adoption. The purpose of this study is to provide a comprehensive review of Gen AI throughout the software development life cycle, or SDLC. The researchers aim to evaluate the benefits and limitations of AI-assisted development tools. In addition, they seek to identify future research opportunities related to Gen AI in software engineering. These objectives help provide a clearer understanding of how AI can support software development. To achieve these objectives, the research used a comprehensive literature review method. Instead of conducting their own experiments, they analyzed findings from previous studies related to Gen AI. The data used in this study came from research on large language models, AI-assisted programming tools, and software engineering practice. Through this approach, the researchers were able to identify common trends, benefits, and challenges of AI adoption in software development. The study presents several important findings. First, Gen AI significantly improves productivity by automating repetitive tasks. It can assist developers in generating code, creating documentation, and performing software testing more efficiently. As a result, development cycles can be completed faster and with less manual effort. However, the researchers also identified several challenges. AI-generated output may contain security vulnerabilities, innovation cost, bias, or intellectual property issues. Therefore, human validation remains essential to ensure the quality and reliability of software systems. Based on the findings, the researchers concluded that Gen AI is revolutionizing software development through intelligent automation. It offers significant advantages in terms of efficiency, productivity, and development speed. However, AI should not completely replace human involvement. The study emphasized the importance of a human-in-the-loop approach, with developers continue to supervise and validate AI-generated outputs. This balance helps ensure software quality, security, and ethical responsibility. This journal has several strengths. It provides a clear and comprehensive overview of AI integration throughout the software development life cycle. The discussion is well structured and highlights the importance of human oversight when using AI technologies. However, the journal also has some limitations. Current AI systems still struggle with highly complex software environment, and further research is needed to better understand their long-term impact on developer productivity. This journal includes several important technical terms. SDLC stands for Software Development Life Cycle, which refers to the process of developing software from planning to maintenance. LLMs or large language models are advanced AI models trained on massive amounts of data. DevOps refers to practice that improve collaboration between software development and operations teams. Refactoring means improving the structure of existing code without changing its functionality. Finally, auto-encoding is a neural network technique used for data compression and representation learning. These terms are important for understanding the concepts discussed in the journal. To summarize, Gen AI has become transformative technology in software engineering. It supports code generation, documentation, and software testing while improving productivity and efficiency. Large language models enable developers to automate many repetitive tasks and accelerate development processes. However, AI-generated outputs still require human supervision to ensure quality, security, and reliability. Therefore, the successful adoption of Gen AI depends on effective collaboration between AI and human developers. This brings me to the end of my presentation. Thank you very much for your attention and participation. I hope this presentation has provided valuable insight into the role of generative AI in software development and automation. See you next video. Goodbye.